Dear students, in this video, our discussion is regarding the data logging, data loggers. Which are the various instruments? This one is the one instrument, and the what first of all we know about the what is data logging and what is data logger and what are the different types of data loggers and what are the applications of the data loggers. So first of all, what is the data logging? This is the collecting or gathering data over a period of time. It is collecting or gathering the data over a period of time. A data logger is an instrument that records the measurements over a period of time. So, an electrical instrument that records the measurements at set intervals over a period of time, and typically a compact battery power device equipped with an internal microprocessor and a data storage and one or more sensors. So, these are the parts in the data logger and can be deployed indoors, outdoors, or underwater also. And this can be record data for up to months at a time. And how we can use a data logger? So first, configure and launch the data, which quantity we can measure, and secure that one or place that one in a secure place. And after recording the data, download or access the data and process and analyze that data, present data in the computer. So this is the using of the data loggers and data access options. That is nothing but types of data loggers. So what are the options means? USB loggers. So short term trend logging with manual offload. USB loggers. And next one is the Bluetooth loggers. So wireless data access via the mobile devices and wireless sensors, so short range centralization data collection. And next, web based systems, long range wireless, that means for the outdoor applications we use this one. So this web based is through the internet access. And how the data is collected means, so this is the block diagram of the data logger. So here we have the different sensors, humidity sensor and light sensor and temperature sensor, and with the this will collect the data from these sensors, and if need sometimes it will be amplifier and send that data to the ADC, analog to digital converters. So we already known we have various types of analog to digital converters. What are those type? Successive approximation type and dual slope ramp type, and so many are there. So by using this analog to digital converters, if the data received from the sensors is analog data, then the analog data will be converted into digital data in order to give the input to the microcontroller, which reads only digital data. So after receiving the digital data, that will be stored in the memory, and we place that into the computer, and at that we can see that data and we can analyze the data and we can do anything on that data. So how data is collected? The theory also here we have. So sensors are used to take readings or measurements at regular intervals of the environment, and the sensors could be collecting data on a wide range of things such as temperature, humidity, pressure, and wind speed, and water currents, and electrical voltage, and pH readings, etc. The sensors may be either analog or digital. If they take analog readings, they definitely we can convert that analog reading into digital reading. So the analog to digital converter will be needed to convert the signal into digital data, which the computer can understand. And as the sensor takes the reading, the data is sent through a cable or wireless link to the data logger. The data logger usually stores the data for a period of time before sending it in a large batch to a computer, which will process and analyze it. A data logger is often a handheld battery operated device which has a large amount of memory. So it will be operated with battery, and this have high amount of memory, and this memory will be used for the analyzing in the computer. So data logging. So the entire operation can be represented in this diagram. So first sensors collect the data, and if the data is analog data, so that analog data will be converted into digital data, and the data will be transferred to the data loggers. That's nothing but the microprocessors present in the data loggers, and this will be sent to the computers to analyze or to do anything. And types of data loggers are I already told: standalone USB data loggers, and web-based data logging systems, and wireless nodes and Bluetooth nodes. So already I told about these diagrams also. These are the types of various data loggers. And coming to the examples, data logging examples or applications of the not applications. So where we use these data loggers. So here we have three examples. One is regarding the hospitals, and another is regarding the car racing, and the another is regarding the water plant. So in a hospital, when a patient has had a major operation or is very ill, they may be in the intensive care unit, that means ICU. While they are in the ICU, they will be constantly monitored to make sure that their condition is stable and not deteriorating. A heart monitor will take readings of their heart rate and pattern of the beats. These readings will be displayed as digital numbers on the monitor itself, and they will be also be output to a continuous graph so that the doctors can pick up any changes over the time. So their breathing rate will be monitored and their level of oxygen measured, and alarms will be triggered if their oxygen levels goes below a certain amount. Their temperature will be measured at regular intervals to monitor whether they are an infection, and if so, whether it is responding to the treatment. So all these data, that means the oxygen level data and the temperature data and the heartbeat data, these, these all are collected using the data loggers only. And in the racing of the cars, so some companies invest the millions into developing the state of the art racing cars. So they want to know every aspect how their car is performing, so that they can ensure the engine is calibrated correctly, the right amount of the fuel is being delivered, and the best speeds are being achieved, etc. So digital electronic dashboards are used inside the cars, that means nothing but data loggers. They display the data collected by the sensors, and this data is logged and stored for the later analysis by the engines. And similarly in the water companies. So in the water companies have to constantly monitor the acidity of the water in their reservoirs, and they also monitor the pollution, chemicals, and the number of bacteria in the rivers. So in order to do this, the sensors take measurements of the water, and an IDC converts the analogous signals into the digital data. The data is sent to the data logger where it is stored until called for by the water board's computer. On request, the digital data is transmitted to the water board's computer, and special software takes the data and analyzes it. The results of the analysis are presented as graphs and tables. These results are printed out. So these are the some of the applications, not all the applications, some examples. Next, advantages and disadvantages. So coming to the advantages, data logging can be used in the remote or dangerous situations, and data logging can be carried out 24 hours a day or 365 days of the year, and time intervals for collecting the data can be very frequent and regular, for example hundreds of the measurements per second, and can be set up to the start at the time in the future, and no need to have a person present. And data logging is often more accurate because there is no likelihood of the human error. And coming to the disadvantages, if the data logging equipment breaks down or malfunctions, some data could be lost or not recorded, and equipment can be expensive for small tasks. Applications: electric utility applications, metrological applications, process industry applications, mobile or vehicle test applications like in car racing, and environmental study applications like in water plants, and mining industry applications, and water or wastewater utility applications, and water resource applications. These all are the applications of the data loggers. Thank you.